Hello, so in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to draw two different types of Rizzi inspired birds. One will be a forward-facing bird and the other will be a profile-facing bird. Now when you draw yours, I want you to draw them on the back of the painted paper that you did last week when you practiced creating values. So we're doing this on the back of that painted paper, and you're going to start by drawing a line down the middle of your paper because we're going to have two different types of birds. And to start the forward-facing bird, we're going to use the letter V, and this is going to be the bird's beak, so you want the V to be towards the top of the page. And as always, it's important to practice first, so using your finger, right? Use your finger to practice drawing things first if you need to. And draw light until you got it right. I'm going to use a curved line on the top to connect that so it looks like a pizza. And then my birdie's feathers. Now these would be good to practice because you want them to be a nice big zigzag line because you're going to be cutting this. So the bigger you make the zigzag right here, the easier it'll be to cut out with your scissors. So this line I'm going to practice. This is the bird's body, and I'm going to do a nice big U coming down from the head, but I'm going to stop before I get back to the other side of my birdie's beak. I'm going to curve. Oop, and I didn't like the way that looked. I'm drawing with a mouse, so bear with me. Right, and then I'm going to stop. And then I'm going to practice again because I'm going to come in like a point and back up. This will be the little birdie's back tail. Okay, now I'm not drawing any eyes or wings or feathers or even the legs right now because this is the back of the painted paper. So those details I want to be on the other side. So this is all you need for the forward facing. For the profile view, we would only see one eye. So this one will have two. This one will only have one. So again, we're going to start with the birdie's head, and I'm going to practice making a U this time rather than a V. So I'm using a curved line, the letter U, and then I'm connecting it with another curved line. And then again, my feathers, getting close towards the top. These feathers are going to be a little wavy there in the wind. All right, and then my beak is going to be a zigzag on the side of the birdie's face. Something like that, or even looks like the letter M. So again, you can practice with your finger, drawing that line first, and then I'm doing the same thing for the birdie's body and feather. So a nice big curve and stop. Point it in and back up to the birdie's head. All right, so that's all you need to draw on the back of your painted paper, and then I will share with you some ideas to add some details in the front. It's now time to cut out the shape of your bird. So as you cut, I'll just outline. Just make sure you go around the edges right on your pencil line. Okay, and cut this out as one shape. Right, so I'm going to go around the head, very carefully cutting in and back around. Okay, thank you.